In Greece, it hardly ever rains, so I bought a Rain Gadget. Recently, I came across a device with an unusual function, and now it's my top find because I love gadgets that create extra comfort or help me relax. Imagine this, a small gadget that creates the sound of raindrops mimicking real rain. These relaxing sounds literally switch off your brain and help you instantly unwind, especially after a stressful day. I trusted the ad and decided to give it a try. The idea is pretty cool, but I expected the sound to be louder and more intense. Still, as part of the decor, it's a pretty nice addition. The Rain Gadget cost €38. I bought it on this site, and the delivery took around 40 days.